Hello friends, this is Suchi. Welcome to my channel. In our last previous videos, we have learnt about the asexual reproduction in which only one parent is involved in creating a new generation or individual. But we also have heard about the reproduction process in which two individuals are involved in the creation of a new generation. In this case, both males and females are involved in the process. Such a mode of reproduction is known as sexual reproduction method or process. So, why do you think this mode of reproduction is needed? Or what is the significance? Or is there any limitation of a sexual reproduction method? So, let's know about the probable answers for these questions. Sexual reproduction is the process which involves the production of new organisms by the combination of genetic information of the two individuals of different sexes. This genetic information is carried on chromosomes in the nucleus of reproductive cells called gametes. This process can be carried out by DNA copying. We have already learned about the DNA copying in our previous videos. To know more about the DNA copying process, you can click on the link given in the descriptive box. So, the importance of DNA copying, or in the other sense, the importance of sexual reproduction is this ensures that each daughter cell produced at the end of the cell division receives an identical amount of DNA. It causes evolution by generating variations during sexual reproduction. It aids in the transmission of information or traits from parents to children. So, these were some of the answers that we have found out. Now, let's know about the sexual reproduction in plants. In plants, the sexual parts are located in the flowers. Parts of the flowers are sepals, petals, stamens, and pistil. Stamens and pistil are a reproductive part of a flower which contains germ cells. The flowers may be unisexual, for example, papaya and watermelon, in which it might have either stamen or pistil, or the flower may be bisexual like hibiscus, which contains both stamen and pistil. Stamen is a male reproductive part, or it produces pollen grains that are yellowish in color. Pistil is present in the center of the flower and is the female reproductive part. It's made up of three parts. The swollen bottom part is ovary, middle elongated part is style, and the terminal part is stigma, which is sticky in nature. The ovary contains ovules and each ovule has an egg. The male germ cell produced by pollen grain fuses with the female gamete present in the ovule. This fusion of germ cells is called fertilization. This gives rise to zygote, which grows into a new plant. For fertilization to occur, the pollen grains needs to be transferred from stamen to the stigma. If this transfer of pollen occurs in the same flower, it is referred to as self-pollination. On the other hand, if the pollen is transferred from one flower to another, it is known as cross-pollination. This transfer of pollen from one flower to another is achieved by agents like wind, water, or animals. After the pollen lands on the suitable stigma to enable the pollen to reach to the female germ cells present in the ovary, a tube grows out of the pollen grain and travels through the style to reach the ovary. After fertilization, the zygote divides several times to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat and is gradually converted into a seed. The ovary grows rapidly and ripens to form a fruit. Afterwards, the petals, sepals, stamens, and style and stigma fall off. The seed contains the future plant or embryo which develops into a seedling under appropriate conditions. This process of plant growth is called germination. The future shoot of the new plant is called plumule, and the future root of the new plant is called radicle. The tough coat or cotyledon that surround the seed serves as food store. This was about the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Hope this video was helpful. For any queries, rise in the comment box. Can also make request. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe and support. Please do like, share and comment, and also click on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.